How to add music to an Instagram post on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a song to an existing post that doesn't have any audio. First, open Instagram on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of it. After that, find the post you want to add music to and tap the three dots at the top right of it. From there, tap on Edit from the list of options that appears. Right here at the top of the edit screen, you'll see an option to add music. Tap on it. Next up, you'll be taken to the music library. Search for the song you want to add or browse through the available options. Moving on, tap on the song you want and select the specific part of the track you'd like to play on your post. From here, once you're happy with your selection, tap Done to confirm. Finally, tap Save at the top right and the music will be added to your post. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.